reason these kids got into trouble was because of us. We can't let them suffer because of our issues. The only way to end this is by working together. So, what do you say?
What are you, Tango and Cash?
No, Tango and Cash were narcotics detective.
Oh, I'm sorry. You do realize neither one of you are cops, right?
I'm always gonna be right here next to you. Because I'll always be your teacher.
Hey guys, Netflix recently released the season 3 trailer of Cobra Kai. It took me a long time, but I went frame by frame and I've noticed a lot of teeny tiny details from this trailer. To be exact, there are 50 points I want to discuss with you, so stay tuned for that. Hello everyone, welcome to Ultimate Book Maniacs, the one-stop for book and TV series reviews. Before we get to the frame-by-frame trailer analysis, there are a couple of things you need to know first. The first episode's name is Aftermath. So I guess this means in the first episode, we'll get to see the aftermath of what happened at the end of season 2. That is the fight between Miyagi-Do and Cobra Kai. Aisha won't be in season 3. So maybe her parents will stop her from going to Cobra Kai and they might start sending her to a different school. Whatever happens, we won't see Aisha in the next season. Let's get to the trailer now. As I've said before, there are 50 frames that I'm going to analyze. In the first frame, we see Johnny drinking from the end of season 2 after Miguel was hospitalized and Johnny went to the beach to drink. In the second frame, Johnny is probably remembering Miguel's victory because in the third clip, Johnny is visiting Miguel and he kind of apologizes to him by saying he thought he was doing the right thing but he had failed Miguel. Now the details you need to notice. Look at his shirt here. This shirt is different from the one he was wearing at the beach. At the beach, Johnny wasn't hurt, but in this clip, when he is visiting Miguel at the hospital, he is hurt. So he probably got drunk and got into a fight with some people, which will also explain why he will end up in jail, which we'll see in a later clip. Also, he doesn't have stitches in jail, but he does have stitches when he's at the hospital. So I think either Daniel or Miguel's mom, Carmen, will bail him out. My guess is it's Miguel's mom. Even though she will be mad at Johnny, I think she might be the only contact he will have. And after seeing his condition, she might bring him to the hospital, get him stitched up, and might even take pity on him and allow him to see Miguel. Either that, or he'll just sneak in when Carmen isn't around. What do you think? After that, we see another clip from season 2, which is the fight at the school. Then we see that Johnny goes to the school and tries to talk to Hawk, and Hawk blames him, saying he got soft and they had to pay the price for it. The guy behind Hawk is also a Cobra Kai. He was in the group of students who follow Kreese now. Also, notice that Johnny is wearing a black shirt in this clip. You can see the black collar in this frame. Now keep that in mind. It will come up later in another scene. Then we have another clip from season 2 where Johnny confronts Daniel about destroying his dojo. Then we see Tori taking her anger out on a punching bag. She looks really pissed in this scene. Maybe she had to deal with the repercussions of her actions in the last season. Maybe the school called her parents or something. Why do you think she looks so pissed? In the next clip, we see Hawk punching someone. He also seems very angry in this clip. And we will see that Kyler has also joined Cobra Kai in a later clip. If you look at the ceiling, it's from Cobra Kai Dojo. So we know they are at the dojo and Kyler will join. Hawk would probably beat the shit out of him. Also, it seems like Hawk would get another tattoo, this time on his left chest. The tattoo seems to be a Grim Reaper. It's probably just to show how dark he will become in season 3. Or do you think they will change his nickname from Hawk to Reaper? Let me know in the comments below. Then we have another few clips from the season 2 finale, where Kreese took over the Cobra Kai and Johnny angrily told him, "You want Cobra Kai? It's yours." and leaves the dojo.
You want Cobra Kai. It's yours.
And notice the two guys in the background. It seems like they will follow Hawk around in season 3 along with Mitch, aka Assface. Then we see Johnny throwing the bottle at his car, which is another clip from season 2. In the 10th frame, we see an overview of All Valley. After that, we see Miguel's mom and grandma at the hospital. After that, we see Johnny in jail. I've already discussed this earlier. He doesn't have a stitch and he's wearing a different shirt. Also, he's looking at someone. He's probably looking at the person who will bail him out. So either Daniel or Carmen. After that, we see a police officer arrest Robbie. And did you notice his hair? It's cut short. It's hard to tell who are the people in the background, but one of the guys has blonde hair and is wearing a shirt. Either it's one of the detectives or it's someone Robbie will con. I know there seem to be two possibilities here. First, either he won't be arrested immediately, will cut his hair and will be arrested later, which honestly I don't think is very likely. Or second, and this is what I think will actually happen in season 3, Robbie will go to juvie first, will get into a lot of fights and will eventually turn bad. You must be wondering, why do I think so? Let's take a look at this picture. In this picture, his hair isn't short and he has an innocent look about him. And in this clip also, he looks scared when these guys come up to him and beat him bloody. You can tell he is hurt and he is definitely not used to these fights. So in these two pictures, he still has a bit longer hair. And now let's take a look at this picture. In this clip, he has very short hair, he is hurt and he is laughing. You can tell that in this clip, he has gotten used to the fights by now. And this hairstyle is similar to the one where he is getting arrested by the police officer. So I think Robbie will get out after some time. If that happens, it means there might be a time jump, which might also show Miguel's recovery. Anyway, so Robbie will get out, go back to his old ways, and will get arrested a second time. And I think Chris will play some kind of role in Robbie turning bad. So in this clip, this is the second time he will get arrested. He is not getting arrested for hurting Miguel. In the next clip, you can see that security has been increased at the school, and it seems like they will check every student as they will enter the school. This is the result of the fight from season 2 finale. You can see the police officer behind Sam is checking this girl's purse. Sam looks sad or guilty in this picture. I can't decide which one. What do you think? Is she looking sad in this or is she looking guilty? Then in the next clip, we see Tori counting money. It seems like a lot of money. So either her mom left her waitress days behind and got a successful career or a rich husband, maybe Ellie with an eye, or Chris is making her do some shady stuff to earn some money. What do you think it is? How do you think she got all this money? I think it might be the second option, because in the next frame, Tori has a thoughtful look on her face and she looks really worried. Then in the next clip, we see Dimitri and douchebag, aka Chris, and another Miyagi-Do student facing Hawk and Assface, aka Mitch. I think Hawk might do something here and Dimitri would trip him in the field in retaliation. Then we see Daniel talking to Johnny about how their rivalry was affecting these kids and how they need to work together to put an end to this. As if Chris would ever let that happen. In the next clip, we see Miguel wake up from his coma. Then we see Daniel enter Cobra Kai and he sees fear does not exist in this dojo. It seems like Chris has been redecorating the dojo. Before, there used to be a red wall along with a Cobra Kai snake. Now the wall is blue and you can see fear does not exist in this dojo. It seems like Chris would be doing a lot of things to make his students strong. He will teach them to face their fears. After that, Daniel looks mockingly at someone, who I think is Johnny, like he's saying, Seriously? In the back, you can also see the fist and the 3 rules of Cobra Kai. Strike first, strike hard, no mercy. Then Kreese sees someone and smiles. This scene is also at night, so he could be laughing at Daniel and Johnny. After that, we see a snake at the Cobra Kai dojo. It will explain how Kreese will teach his students to face their fears. Maybe he will ask his students to pick up the snake or something, so that they will face their fears and will become strong. Then we see a flashback from season 1 of Kyler making fun of Eli. And then we see Hawk looking at Kyler angrily, who has joined Cobra Kai too. This is where Hawk will beat Kyler. Then we see Daniel and Johnny at a garage facing 3 men. Johnny pushes Daniel to the side and starts fighting these men. Since Johnny is still injured, it's probably from the first couple of episodes. So my guess is these are the same guys who Johnny got into fight with before going to the jail. But why would Daniel and Johnny? I'll call them Danny and Johnny because it sounds better. Anyway, so why would Danny and Johnny visit them together right after deciding to work together? You can see they were wearing the same clothes when they agreed to work together. So here are a few possible scenarios which might explain this scene. Either these guys have some news about Kreese and they are following the lead, or maybe Johnny would go to them to pick a fight and Daniel will follow him there. Or the last option, which I think seems most likely, is that they went to the garage to get Johnny's car. If you remember, in the last season, Johnny left the car along with the keys at the beach. So these guys might have picked up the car and Daniel and Johnny will go there to get the car. What do you think? Which of these 3 possibilities seems more likely to you? Let me know in the comments below. Then we see Amanda saying to Johnny and Daniel, "What are you, Tango and Cash?" And that neither one of you are cops. It gives me the feeling that they are going to do some kind of detective work. If that's true, maybe they are really trying to find Johnny's car, or they are following some lead on Kreese. So, what do you think of this video? I'll post more Cobra Kai videos like Battle of Boyfriends, Robbie vs. Miguel, Battle of Girlfriends, Sam vs. Tori, etc. soon. If you like this video, please click on the like button below, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you in my next video.